Good morning and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that follow me, you know that I grow predominantly everything in containers or 5-gallon buckets with a few exceptions of 2 raised beds. Today I'm going to show you or give you some tips on how I keep everything looking nice and green. When you're growing in buckets, your plants are dependent or at the mercy rather of the nutrients that are in the bucket or the container that you are growing in. So therefore, your plants may be susceptible to leaching of nutrients every time you water. It is recommended that you use some type of fertilizer to scrape or scratch around the soil, some time release fertilizer so that it'll be there for the long run, as well as a liquid fertilizer so that the plants get immediate feeding right then and there. And I'm going to show you what types of long range fertilizers that I use and the liquid fertilizer. These are my Floridade tomatoes. And what I do when I feed them, I pull the straw back around the base or the stem. And I place a tablespoon of bone meal, around the base, and I also place a tablespoon of organic fertilizer around the base. And then I scrape that in. And then I put the straw back around the container. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do that for the remainder of my buckets, and then I'm going to go to step 2. Okay, we have fertilized with a granular fertilizer and also some bone meal into a teaspoon of each into each bucket, and we've scratched it in. Now I'm going to go ahead and give them a liquid watering with fertilizer. Um, this has fish emulsion and guano in it. I'm going to pour approximately 2 tablespoons. And then I'm also going to use a tablespoon of Jack's All-Purpose 20. Then I'm going to stir everything in. And then I'm going to give every plant a drink.
Audio at this point died. I want to thank you for coming along with me. I hope the tips I spoke of were helpful and useful to you. The fertilizers I used are available on my Amazon storefront, as well as my website. Also, you don't have to use the exact fertilizers I used, just as long as you use a time-release fertilizer. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of things, but one thing I can't grow is the channel without your help. If you do subscribe, make sure to click the notification bell. Also, you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Be sure to hit the like button and to share the video. Take a moment to consider joining my Facebook group, Small Space Gardening. You can meet like-minded folks like yourself that have a passion for gardening but are limited by space only. So until next time, always remember that even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow a great amount of food for yourself and your family. Stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow. Lastly, always remember to give God the thanks, for without Him, we are nothing. Until next time, take care and stay safe. Bye, for now.